How to increase the font size in Windows 11. So hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can increase the font size in your Windows 11 computer. So increasing the font size in Windows 11 is fairly very easy. This basically refers to increasing the scale of the windows, which will eventually enlarge the entire interface along with the size of the text. So let us see how to do this. So the first thing that we need to do is head on to the settings of our Windows 11 computer. To do this, you need to place your cursor towards the bottom of your screen, and then once the taskbar appears, under the taskbar you need to right click onto the start button. Once you will right click onto the start button, you can see this option of settings. So simply click onto this settings button and it will open the settings of your Windows 11 computer. Now, the next thing we need to do is click onto this system option at the left. Once you'll click onto the system tab, you will see a number of menu which will be displayed here. Now, you need to click onto this display option. So simply click onto the display option and then from here, you can see the scale under the scale and layout. Under the scale and layout, you need to click onto this scale button, and from here you can also check the current scale, which is at 125% and is the recommended scale according to my personal computer. So simply click onto this button, and from here you can choose a different value according to your perspective. So for example, if you want a more larger display, then it need to be more of the value. So for example, currently it is set to 125%. So if I want to increase the size, I can choose it to say 150%. And if I do this, just wait for it to apply, and here you can see that now the font and everything else including the interface is much more wider. If I want to increase it even more, I can choose the 175%, and now here you can see that now the interface and the font is covering a much more wider area. So that's how easy it is to increase the font size in your Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, do make sure to give it a like. Tell us in the comment how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.